In high school, I was very interested in math and science. Calculus was my favorite course, so I believed engineering to be a good field for me to go into. Speaking with counselors, I decided I really wanted to go into a field where I got to work with math and science, I got to work with my hands, and I also was working with people. My guidance counselor asked me or told me to look into civil engineering because she believed that to be a field of engineering where you also get to work with people quite a bit. When I came to Cal Poly and started taking civil engineering classes, I found myself still yearning to work with people on a more one-on-one basis and didn't find civil engineering was really meeting that need of mine. So I began looking into different fields and happened across industrial engineering. I didn't know much about this major when I first got here, but after speaking with people, I learned that it was the perfect major for me because it focused quite a bit on math, science, and different engineering fundamentals, but also has a very interpersonal feel to it, and you spend quite a bit of time working with people, learning how people interact with each other with different pieces of technology, and I just fell in love with it. It's been the perfect fit for my personality. When I was looking into engineering schools, I knew that I wanted to go somewhere with a very strong engineering program, but also that had a smaller personal feel to it. When I came to Cal Poly, I fell in love with the campus because it really had everything I was looking for. The class sizes are small, you get to deal one-on-one with professors and all faculty members, and the learn by doing philosophy is really the types of hands-on learning that I deal best with because instead of just learning from a textbook or listening to a lecture, you get to work on real-life projects with different engineering students, companies, different faculty members, and it's really just so much fun. It's an awesome program that they have here. I had the opportunity during my college career to participate in 3 different intern or co-op programs, and that's another exciting thing about industrial engineering is there are industrial engineers in almost any industry that you can think of. So the first internship was with a local utility company, PG&E. I also had an opportunity to intern at Raytheon, which is an aerospace company. And the most exciting internship co-op opportunity for me was at Alcon Labs, which is an eye care company. I had the opportunity to work for the printed circuit board manufacturing group, and I was able to work on various tasks. One of them was a facility redesign layout, another one was a process optimization project, and I also had the opportunity to work on validating various equipment that was used on the printed circuit board line. One of the projects that I worked on at Alcon was optimizing their automated printed circuit board manufacturing equipment, and I was fortunate to be able to turn this into my senior project. This winter, the IIE Regional Conference was held here at Cal Poly, and students from all over the Western region came to our university for this weekend-long event. One of the activities at this event was a student technical paper competition where I submitted my senior project report. Well, at the regional conference banquet, I learned that I won the technical paper competition. As the winner of the regional technical paper competition, I was fortunate to travel to Vancouver, British Columbia, where I participated in the IIE International Student Technical Paper Competition. There were 14 regional winners from IIE regions all over the world, and we all presented our papers once again at a competition at the Vancouver conference. At the Vancouver Conference Awards Banquet, I learned that I got the first place for the International Student Paper Competition. I love being an industrial engineer. I think one of the most exciting aspects of it is it's very broad. There's so many different fields you can go into, different types of projects you can work on, and just so many opportunities. So I think it's an excellent major, and it's the best decision I've made in my educational career thus far. I grew up in Ann Arbor, Michigan, where the outstanding University of Michigan is located, and I knew in high school that I wanted to go into engineering, but I wasn't ready to go so close to home, so I started looking at universities elsewhere, and I happened upon Cal Poly, which is in beautiful San Luis Obispo and has a phenomenal engineering program, and I fell in love with it right from the beginning. After I graduate from Cal Poly on Sunday, I will be moving to San Francisco, where I will begin a career with Deloitte Consulting.